Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clear source. Use natural light and steady the camera so text is flat. Take a close, high-resolution photo at 300 dpi or more because OCR accuracy depends on pixel detail. Once done, crop to the text region and correct rotation so words are horizontal. This reduces errors and speeds processing. Make sure the file is a PNG or high-quality JPEG to preserve edges and avoid compression artifacts that confuse character detection. Next, run OCR using your chosen engine. Select Tesseract for offline control or Google Vision for cloud accuracy. First, preprocess the image. Convert to grayscale, apply a threshold to separate text from background, and despeckle to remove noise. These steps increase character recognition rates. Then execute OCR and scan the output for misread characters, merged words, or misplaced line breaks. Make corrections in the editor, because small fixes here prevent big problems in later use or formatting. Finally, export the clean text in the format you need. Plain TXT for scripts, searchable PDF for archiving, or docx for editing. After export, run spellcheck and apply pattern-based fixes for dates, invoices, or serial numbers, since OCR often misreads similar glyphs. If you still see systemic errors, go back and reprocess the image with different thresholding or higher DPI. Repeat until accuracy is acceptable. One troubleshooting tip. If OCR fails on a region, crop and rescan that area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.